Hey everyone, today is April the 26th, 2021, and today's video I'm going to show you the two different, I'm going to need to show you the new MKSD. This new MKSD, it is a reusable one. That means that you can use more than once. Basically, as compared to the smart card. Uh, It's more durable material compared to the regular MKSD4. This one, um, it's you can bend it, you cannot cut it in half. It's more durable. You can use it more than once due to the simple fact that is you don't have to reattach it and attach it to another SIM card like the regular MKSD4. This one is, as you know, has one piece. It comes with double tape to attach to your regular SIM card. This particular one is perfect for the devices 6S all the way to the X and the SC 2020. But this one, you can, like I said, this one is perfect for because it has double tape. And some of you don't like the MKSD4 because you had to reattach, or you had to reattach and then attach it to a different SIM card in order for you to get the menu or the menu back. So I hear you, and I got this new version of the MKSD4. This one is more durable. It can be reused as many times you want. Like I said, this one is compared to the smart card. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. It's the same as the other, the Gavy Pro, just more durable. You'll see it's like just like a laminated SIM card. All the microchip is one side, and you can see all the little cables all going or attaching to the all the pins, all the 6 pins on the other side. And you can see all the it's been patched, but you can see the microchip on this side compared to this one that everything is in one, because it's so little. All the microchip is right in the middle. And you know, because you some of you try to reuse it as many times you can. I don't blame you, but at time to time, as many times you attaching and reattaching, at one point you're gonna damage a little microchip here in the middle, and at one point it's gonna be, it won't read anything. It says SIM, no SIM at one point. Compared to this one you can reuse it as many times you want. Like I said, it's like a laminated RSIM, durable, compared to the, it goes hand to hand. Comparison, smart card, same thing, MKSD4 or MKSD. So it will be posted later on my website, but let me show you, same menu, same everything, same rule. As of right now, no ICCID for AT&T and Cricket. Unfortunately, the only solution is NKSD4. You had to attach your SIM card, and you had to leave this in at all times. I can show you right now. As soon as I'm done with this, I have another iPhone from AT&T. So this iPhone is from T-Mobile XR, and it's updated to the latest iOS 15.4.1. And this is T-Mobile, and I have a Verizon. So just to make sure, just a little test for you guys to see. Just waiting for the SIM not supported. Even just picking up the signal, but it like doesn't mean anything. See, SIM not supported. So I'm gonna put this on the side. If you don't believe me, I'm gonna bring this back, my T-Mobile. Put it back.
for call. As part of this call, T-Mobile may collect.
T-Mobile. So if you don't know which carrier is your phone, just try to put as many SIM cards you have in order for you to know which carrier, or you can go to the website and find out. But this phone is SIM locked to a T-Mobile. And if I go to general about, it tells me it's an iPhone XR 15.4.1, and this iPhone is SIM locked to T-Mobile. Okay, I already put my insert my pricing, and remember, to do the factory or the semi-factory unlock, you need to have an AT&T SIM card. In order to do the semi-factory unlock with a GAVI Pro, with MKSD, with any other RSIM you must have an AT&T SIM card. I was trying to find some AT&T SIM cards. I went to my Target, to my local Walmart, Target, my HEV, and I couldn't find any, so I ended up going to the AT&T store. They gave me some hard time trying to buy one. I was able to buy one, but unfortunately it was one of the white ones. I paid $14, $14.99, and they gave me one of the white ones. I don't know what I did with it, but you need to have one of these orange and white, or prepaid one. Make sure it's not Wi-Fi, or not Wi-Fi, the 5G. I don't know what I did with it because it's useless. So make sure you have one of this kind, orange and white, this kind. Okay, but you can try. So MKSD, it has the same one side as the 6 pins. Okay, so one side, it has the same shape or your SIM tray. Okay, you will not miss. So here is your SIM tray. Here is your MKSD4. If you see it, one has like a little SIM tray side. So that one's gonna be sitting on the bottom of your SIM tray, just like this. And then you're gonna grab your AT&T. And you're gonna fold it like a little sandwich, just like that. And in this case, you don't have to worry damaging or ripping in half the MKSD4, because like I said, it's pretty durable. We're just gonna wait for the menu. You know what, I forgot to, first things first, I need to go to my website, teachers shop, first option, click on it, and I usually post the active ICCIDs. You can read it and give you the whole description. AT&T ICC offline, but it has the two options, the two actives for today. So I'm going to copy the one 3358. Okay, so I'm going to put back my, okay, so there's my menu. And in this case, I'm going to select edit ICCID because I need to change it. The one that comes with the ones that is already on the MKSD, I need to change that one. So I'm just gonna double tap, delete, and I'm gonna paste the one I copied from my website, and then 3358. So I'm gonna hit send, accept. I'm gonna give a couple of seconds for the ICCID to be register on the MKSD, and then I'm gonna hit continue. I only hit continue when it's not an AT&T iPhone, and I show you in a minute. Because I'm doing a semi-factory unlock on AT&T iPhone, and this applies to this applies to T-Mobile, Verizon, Sprint, Metro, Total Wireless, StraightTalk, Spectrum. I mean, you name it. Everything except AT&T, Cricket, or anything related to AT&T network. So let me close settings. Back to settings. And then about. And then that's how you know if your unlock has been successful. It says no SIM restrictions. And remember the carrier it was telling me was T-Mobile. It was locked to T-Mobile. Well, in this case, we are using AT&T to unlock other carriers. So appears carrier AT&T, network not available. Okay, so at this point, I can take off my, see, and now you can just put this back if you have to, or if you want to unlock your friend's phone. Now I'm going to put back my Verizon. I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi. I'm going to make a test call and see.
Hi, Brent. Thanks for calling Verizon Wireless.
There you go, Verizon Wireless. Let's do a test call, speed test. Okay, Verizon. Well, like I said, Verizon, on my previous videos, the number one cellular company that works best in San Antonio, on the north side of San Antonio, is T-Mobile. Then AT&T, then Verizon. So not bad, 4, 6. So at this point, this iPhone, it is semi-factory unlock. Everything works, data, cell phone, text, everything. So this phone is done. So let me show you how to, not semi-factory, but this is how I use AT&T iPhones for with the chip N. So this is my AT&T iPhone SE 2020. It is an iPhone SE 14.4.1. And this iPhone, it is locked to, it is SIM locked to AT&T network not available. AT&T. I'm gonna bring back my T-Mobile. Gonna put it in. Same scenario. I'm just gonna wait for the SIM not supported. I'm gonna hit continue for the activation. Okay, SIM not supported. Perfect. Okay, if you have an AT&T iPhone and this is gonna be your only option, well, you have two options. You have this option with the MKSD4 or the GAVI Pro. You had to use your regular SIM card with the MKSD inside all the time, or the second option is do a factory unlock. That's only two options. This option is cheap, but it's not stable. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but it takes a little time to activate. Show you in a minute. So as you know, MKSD4, it has double tape on it, black chip. This is like a golden brown tape on the back. The only thing you need to do is take it off, and then you're going to attach your SIM card. It has the same shape. The MKSD4 has the same shape, or just SIM card. You just need to attach it correctly. It has like a little tip on the bottom. You can, for a purpose. So as long as you match everything around, there you go. Now I'm gonna grab my SIM tray. I'm gonna slide it in just like that. Okay. So I already show you this is SIM lock. This device is restricted to the, to only AT&T. And I'm gonna use my T-Mobile. So this is the only option for now. Everything has to stay in. So take a look how I do it. It might take a little while for everything, okay? So just bear with me. So from the menu, you're gonna select ICCID MNC, and then you're gonna select ICCID MNC manual, and we're gonna change the ICCID to the one that is on my website, and we said it was the one ending on, I forgot to copy and paste, 3358. 3358. I'm gonna hit continue. You hit that accept and continue. And at this time, we're not gonna do anything else. I'm just gonna click once. If a window comes and hit continue to activate, don't do it, because if you hit continue, it's gonna send you to the activation screen, and the activation screen is gonna be only for ICCID mode, and you don't want to do that because we're not doing ICCID mode. We're doing manual. We are doing manually, so that means we are gonna let the MKSD4 do everything in the background. So as you can see, we didn't hit the little activation screen. So the next step is going to back to settings. As of right now, it says no service. Settings. We are going to back to cellular. Okay, very important. Roaming has to be on. And then it keeps saying it's AT&T. Well, that's because it's AT&T. Like I said, this is not going to be a semi-factory unlock. Network selection. We're going to turn it off. And we're going to select T-Mobile because that's my SIM card. And I'm going to go back. Okay. And then I'm going to go back to SIM applications. And then I'm going to hit reactivate. So I'm going to reactivate the signal. Now that I got my roaming off and I select T-Mobile, so I just need to hit reactivate. And then I'm going to hit accept, dismiss. You can click once, and this is the screen I was telling you. Software update completed. Continue. No, you don't want to hit continue because we're not doing the ICCID activation. So we just need to let them activate by themselves. So this is the part that you need to wait. It can take up to 1 minute, can take to 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. You just need to be patient. So I'm gonna turn off my Wi-Fi. you know, I always get this message. I'll show you in a minute. But it's picking up the signal, T-Mobile, LTE, and the message that I usually I always get. See, it keeps getting unable to send message blocking is active. I don't know if it's from T-Mobile network, but I'm able to send text messages to people without affecting anything else. So like a test, I send test. And I'm able to get them. Sometimes there are some people, they said, well, some friends that they have Androids, they takes a little while to get the text message, especially if they got I send them a media or a picture. So see, I'm getting test back. See, I'm getting text messages.
Thanks for calling. As part of this call, T-Mobile may collect
T-Mobile, so it's working fine. Let's do a test call. I mean a speed test. So I'm getting 20, 30. Better than Verizon, as you can see. And this is the only way you can use your AT&T iPhone, as long as it's not blacklisted. It has to be with the MKSD Gavy Pro and at all times. If I take it off, for some reason you had to take it off, you can. I'm gonna take it off. Okay, take it off. And then I'm gonna use my visible. I got a visible SIM card. I'm gonna put it in. And I'm sorry this video is a little bit longer, but I need to show you step by step. Go to activation. And it's gonna tell me SIM not supported. See, SIM not supported. And then I'm gonna bring back my T-Mobile with my MKSD4, and because I already programmed the MKSD4 with my T-Mobile, it shouldn't have any problems. It should be going pretty smooth, I'm hoping. The worst case scenario is they send me to the activation screen, but I'm just gonna hit dismiss. But no, see, T-Mobile. So it's reading T-Mobile, my network selection is T-Mobile, and this is where I need to show you that this is not a semi-factory unlock because it's still appearing as a SIM lock. Only in this case, network appears on the T-Mobile and my carrier appears AT&T. And I'm still getting these messages. It says that my unable to send message blocking is really annoying, but I don't know who is it from, if it's from T-Mobile or AT&T, but you know, it is what it is. But I'm able to use my AT&T iPhone. So I hope you like it. I will drop the link on the bottom so you can get the MKSD4, the reusable one, and also where you can get this. This one you can get up on Amazon if you are an Amazon, or you like it on Amazon. Free shipping on Amazon via UPS. This one is not listed yet on Amazon, but it's going to be listed on my website soon. Well, have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye, guys.